Okay, again, another degree of complexity, same process. We're going to have our two brackets. And, oh, oops. No, I forgot the step in between. We're going to write down the numbers that as they are when they get multiplied together to make the square. So we have two things times together there to make the square. And we have two things times together to make the square here. So obviously that's a plus 2 and a plus 2 times together make a plus 2 squared, and a plus 3 times by a plus 3 times together to give a plus 3 squared. So then we're back to the same rule. We're going to have two brackets. We're going to have one of these terms at the front. I'm going to use the bracket again just so it's consistent and we can see. We're going to have one of the other ones at the back, which is this one. And then we're just going to have a plus in one bracket and a minus in the other. Now, because it's all A's, we can do some more arithmetic. If we take out these brackets here, I didn't really need to write them in, I just did it to be consistent, so I'm going to add an extra line. You don't need to do this line in your working out, but in the example you copy, it should be here. Okay, just write it all out like that without the brackets. Now be careful with the minus sign here. It's at the front of this bracket, so everything in the bracket's minus a minus 3. Now we add up the terms. We have an a there and an a there, so we have 2a, numbers 2 and 3 is 5. And over here we have an a and an a and a minus a. We have no a's, they disappear, and we have a 2 and a minus 3, so that's actually minus 1. So to clean it up, that's completely correct. If you write that, that's absolutely correct. But just to clean it up, I'm going to write it like that. They are both the same.